I'm recording. Where?
Right above us, right here. Woohoo! Look at that twist.
Trying to take my phone.
Dad, let's turn it. Wow. It's so dark.
It was twisting like right there before.
I closed the greenhouse so that the wind wouldn't get under it and blow it up. And then both the doors are closed.
I think we just saw the worst of the wind.
Okay, well, it's closed up.
I think we just saw the worst of the wind. Did you see that?
I got it, yeah.
That was
Right
real
now.
close. Come on.
Fireworks?
I guess.
I don't know, that was thunder.
Well, one was, but they're lighting fireworks over there. That's thunder.
And look at the layers. It's crazy.
Look at over there, dude. Look, there's a funnel cloud right there, man.
Where?
Way off at the edge of that. That's totally a funnel cloud.
Am I getting it in frame? You talking about right there?
No, further out. Over here more.
Oh, I think I sticking down. Can't get it.
Yeah.
I don't like tornadoes. Well, let's stay here for now.
Most storms like this will always make funnel clouds. You see how that storm right there and this storm are coming together?
Yeah.
That's what you see when you see stuff like that. And yeah, it's still way back there. There's lightning all the way back there. It ain't supposed to be blowing over.
Wow, it's cooled down.
Got that.
He's a video taker.
I love this stuff. I could be up all night editing this stuff.
Oh, wow.
Got that. That's awesome.
Bill's been having a lot of fun lately. He's had
Oh, it's awesome.
Should I go check my water bucket? That was.
Yeah, I was saying they say lightning doesn't strike in the same place twice. That's so wrong.